I'm going to show you how I transform from this to this. I'm Marisa, Miss Marisa Cosplay, and I'm cosplaying as Brigitte, Shieldmaiden Brigitte to be specific. I was really inspired by this because she's such a powerful warrior, and I'm from German descent, and they have their own Goths and Shieldmaiden equivalents. So as I was researching it, I was really drawn to her. One thing that I really wanted to do with this costume was make it so that I'd have a moving weapon. So I have a mechanically moving flail to mace going on here, so I can drop it and extend it right there. So I have chain in between it, and that was really fun to design and make it so that I could actually move it around. I wanted to focus on making sure that all my weapons and everything were really light. So they do have EVA foam inside of them, or made of them and inside of them. And they're really easy to manipulate, and I'm not scared about breaking them. One of my favorite features is my bear head. So he was fun to attach. The teeth are made of a bead thermoplastic that melted in water, and then I just manipulated into a teeth shape. And the head is made of some packaging foam that my friend got a package in, and then I wrapped it in thermoplastic and then put fur all over it. The fur itself was pretty fun to deal with because I got to trim it all around and shape everywhere. Everything that I made here is of my own pattern, so that's another thing that I'm pretty proud of. So including the jacket, everything from top to bottom. The shoes I got to dye. I found some really cheap white shoes, so just thought, ooh, I'm gonna destroy them. Or make them better, depending on what you think. I made use of so much Velcro in this. I'm really happy. I didn't realize how versatile it was until working on this, as well as magnets. So a fun thing with like this bucket that I have on my chest is that it helps hold everything together. But I also wanted everything to be able to be a standalone piece. So that includes like the wig. What I did with the wig is I did wig ventilation to make it so that I would actually have the hairline I wanted, which I did not know how much effort went into doing that. Fun fact, a lot of stuff. I also did this on a budget. I tried to make it out of as inexpensive materials as possible. So like I said, with EVA foam, some magnets, making chain. I actually used bottle caps for details. Surprisingly, the most expensive thing, I guess, would be the weapon, but that's only because I stabbed myself and went to the emergency room. So, there's that. But, yeah, that's my costume. I hope you like it, because I do. Aïe!